your biology is unoptimized. In today's explainer, we're diving into something really fascinating called the Arcanum. Now, this isn't presented as some new age philosophy. Think of it more like a technical manual for the human body, one that suggests what we've always called ancient wisdom is actually just a form of pre-scientific biology. Let's get right into it. Does this feel a little familiar? Maybe not the exact warning on a screen, but the feeling behind it. You know that nagging sense that you're just not running at 100%? The low energy, the brain fog. It's like you're operating at a fraction of your real capacity. Well, this system gets right to the point and puts it in technical terms. Your biology is unoptimized.
And right here, this is the big idea. This is the paradigm shift the whole system is built on. The source material basically says the root of the problem isn't just stress in some vague psychological sense. Nope. It's measurable, quantifiable physics. We're talking about bioelectrical signals, brainwave patterns, and even the literal light your body gives off.
So let's really dig into that gap, you know? For so many of us, there's this huge disconnect between the promises of ancient practices and the hard data that modern science demands. This explainer is all about a system designed to build a bridge right over that gap by giving us mechanisms instead of just metaphors.
I mean, have you ever been there? You download a meditation app and it just tells you to let go. Or you hear a spiritual teacher talking in circles with metaphors, and you're just thinking to yourself, okay, but how? What's actually happening in my body? If you have, then you get this. You get the core demand here. It's that inner engineer asking for the schematic, right? Demanding to know the actual mechanism.
And that leads us to the big aha moment of the Bioarcanum. It's this idea of a translation layer, a way to take all that seemingly mystical, ancient language and map it directly onto modern, measurable biological processes we can actually see and understand.
And what's so wild is just how direct this translation claims to be. Chakras aren't some woo-woo energy centers. They're mapped to major nerve clusters called autonomic ganglia. Kundalini rising is reframed as the velocity of your cerebral spinal fluid. Auras are tied directly to biophotonics, the actual scientific study of the light that living things emit. And even something like manifestation gets linked to quantum consciousness theories. It's presented like a Rosetta Stone for the body.